Welcome to Edys Treasures. What treasures will you find?
Edys Treasures provides the ethically sourced crystals and stones you need. The collection provides a wide selection of crystals, such as rose quartz, selenite, and blue agate, which can provide an array of benefits. The company explains that crystals are known for carrying different energies that can be beneficial for both physical and emotional health. You will find pendulum crystals that can be worn as jewelry, as well as small and large flat stone crystals, and fossils, that are ethically sourced. A crystal box lot with smudging stick is included as part of the launch for $75. Click the link in the description for more info.